I'm Sumi. Welcome to my channel, The Third Cup Project, where I show you how to make delicious vegan Indian food. Today, I'm extremely excited to share with you a traditional South Indian recipe, Keerai Masiyal. Keerai means spinach, Masiyal translates to smash, so essentially it's spinach smash. I know it sounds ridiculous, but it's so flavorful. Every time this dish is cooked, I'm transported back to my grandma's kitchen in India, so let's get cooking. For my Keerai Masiyal or spinach stew, I've roughly chopped 2 bunches of spinach here, as you can see. I've also added some of the tender stock so as to not waste anything. Here I have a pot on medium-high heat, and I'm going to add around 1/8 cup or even less of water and bring this to a boil. I'm adding very little water because the spinach will release its own water while cooking, and we don't want this dish to be too watery. My water is bubbling, so I'm going to add all my spinach to this pot. It looks like a lot, but trust me, it's going to reduce to nothing like my paycheck. I'm going to give all of this a really nice mix, as much as I can. Bring the heat to medium-low, cover this pot with a lid, and let this cook for 15 minutes. To thicken our spinach stew, here I'm making a slurry with rice flour. I've taken 2 teaspoons of rice flour, to which I've added around 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. I'm going to mix this till there are no lumps. It's been exactly 15 minutes, and as you can see, my spinach is completely reduced, and I'm going to pour this into my spinach mixture. You can help break down the spinach as you stir while mashing with a wooden spoon. Cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. Switch off my element and keep my spinach aside. In the meantime, I'm going to make a tempering for the stew. Here I have my tempering pan on high heat, to which I've added a tablespoon and a half of coconut oil. It's very important to use coconut oil for this dish because that's how it's made traditionally. To this, I'm adding a teaspoon and a half of mustard seeds. Because it's on high heat, it's going to start spluttering immediately, as you can see. Adding a tablespoon of urad dal or white lentils, and 2 dried Kashmiri red chilies that I'm going to break to release its flavors. Give this a quick mix. The lentils are going to turn red very soon, so keep an eye on it. This looks great, and we're going to pour this straight into our spinach mixture. Going to salt this dish. Be very careful while salting spinach because it can turn salty very easily. So whatever amount of salt you want to add, have that to start. Mixing all of this. And that's the finished dish. This is such a simple dish that highlights the beautiful, delicate flavor of spinach. The spinach and the coconut oil and the tempered spices are just perfect together. For more vegan Indian dishes, please like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments how this recipe turned out for you because I'm so excited to hear from you. And I'll see you another time with another dish. Bye!